Polish your weapon with knowledge. With this blessing of erudition, you shall triumph in all your battles. I swore to protect everything in Sumeru. Hayate and I have always been close. But living inside of him and visualizing his state of mind, that's a first. Wukong is quick-witted, but he's too restless. You may pray to Natalia for wealth, or pray to me for wisdom. That must have been devastating. But I'm sure you learned something. I shall bless you, as long as your desire for knowledge continues. Friend or foe, I wish you smooth sailing through the uncharted sea of knowledge. Never pass up a good opportunity to become stronger. Pray to me. I may not bring you instant power, but I have what benefits you deeper. Learning is how the strong grow even stronger. My way of teaching never intimidates the studious ones. They learn from mistakes made. I am attracted to those with a thirst for knowledge. Victory is satisfying, but knowledge gained is even more fulfilling. Life and death cycle on. Did you see that? Do I have to show you again? May my blessing guide your way. Time for a lesson. After all, there's no exception in the scope of death. My knowledge enriched. Are you ready? You won't have time to surrender! Blade sweep! Study harder! Shine on Sumeru! Sumeru condemns you! Min Chonghoran I wing. Min Naho Nataparan. Ivao Banan. Shunizu Bavauhor. Yeah!